Okay, so this is iterative practice. This is the fastest way to improve at any specific thing you want to get good at drawing. So what you do is you want to make your canvas size like 4K. So it's really big, and then you zoom in to, or you zoom out a bit, and then this is going to be one page, so we're going to do 20 circles on one page. So we're gonna take it, if you get a good circle, you can just copy it and just paste it. Because for this, I'm practicing faces, like furry faces, so I found a reference that I really like that I really want to use, and we're just gonna copy it for the first one. And then after you copy the first one, then you hide the reference. Do it 19 more times without reference using the previous attempts as reference. And I try not to erase for these because it's just kind of a waste of time. And ideally, the simpler these are, the faster you can do one. So I might like massively simplify these just so I can kind of get the form down. So once you've done one, you kind of hide your reference. So let's close this. And then we can kind of see like what worked. You kind of, the more you do, like the more you can kind of see like what worked and what didn't. And you kind of try to change stuff around with each iteration, like, and you just use the previous attempts as reference. And you don't want to make it too detailed, and you don't want to end up like erasing a whole bunch or trying to fix one line on one thing because you're making a lot of these, so like you kind of need to not spend a lot of time on one. And it seems like, and then you can kind of go back like, okay, the first one looks good, and then the second one is like I made the jaw too low, maybe. I made the eyes kind of too high up, maybe. And then it seems for the rest I kind of make the eyes too high up. And you'll just use that like, except for this time I made the muzzle might be a little bit too short, so like I would raise that a bit, and that looks better. And this is also where confidence, like line confidence, comes from, as because you've done it so many times, like it just becomes super easy when it comes time to actually like do it for an actual drawing, like. And you also get faster the more you do it, the more speed you build up. Like what went wrong here is, I guess the nose is too low, mouth is too low, the angle of the muzzle is kind of off. Like, yeah, that's better. And what you want to do is you want to find a reference that like just really speaks to you, like really looks really appealing. Don't pick a reference that's unappealing or like not good because you don't want to learn from like something that's not appealing. And you want every face to kind of be the same pose, same expression. Otherwise you're not really practicing, you're just kind of going off course. Fucking writer's cramp, dude, holy shit. So what happened here, we kind of made the eyes too high, I guess. And so for the last one, we will avoid that mistake. You will regret this purchase. You will regret this purchase. But yeah, that's iterative practice. There you go.